Hey guys, today I just want to jump in very quick and talk to you guys about my experiences getting INLEI lash fillers. And if you guys haven't heard of it yet, basically lash fillers is this kind of new technology from Italy where the process kind of looks like a lash lift if you've seen one, but basically it's kind of like lash lift but like on crack. Let me see what it says from the place that I got it from. So I got it from a place in Jakarta, by the way, and it's I guess it's more affordable here, but it's still kind of expensive. So it was basically 600,000 for a session, but then if you buy 3 like as a package, it's gonna come down to 1.5, which is I believe $100 for 3 sessions. And I know it doesn't sound expensive, but then considering that lash extensions are only like $10 here for like the natural one, that's what you get for $10. And depending on which place that you go to, your lash extension can stay up to 4 weeks, which is pretty good, right? Okay, so basically according to Misumi, which is the place that I got my lash fillers from, it's not loading because my internet sucks. So if you guys hear really loud noises because I live in an Asian household. So what is INLEI lash filler? I'm just reading a description right here. INLEI lash filler is an innovative process that thickens the hair, produced with the high technology of the made in Italy. It gives the natural lashes a soft and pleasant curvature, greater silkiness, and nourishment to the structure of the hair. Scientifically proven to penetrate and permanently thickens the natural hair by 24% after 3 sessions. Influences the hair growth by improving hair structure, nourishes and thickens damaged, thin and weak eyelashes, gives a long-lasting lifting effect to natural eyelashes, and great alternative to eyelash extensions. The reason why I decided to get a lash filler is because, so back in like December 2019, so at the time I had eyelash extensions on and I kept on picking on them because I was just really stressed and nervous. I kept doing that, and which was really bad for my eyelashes. Obviously, I was basically like balding my own eyelashes, and there was a point where I had like a hole. I'm not wearing any eye makeup right now because I want to show you guys what my eyelashes look like for the sake of this video. But yeah, it had a hole here. It kind of still has one if you can see it. Like here there's a sparse area which you can't really see on the side, but yeah, I had a really like obviously like a bald spot, which I wasn't happy about. I didn't want to use eyelash extensions anymore because I feel like the glue was icky. Like, don't get me wrong, I love eyelash extensions, and this is after 2 sessions. So the first session that I went in January 30th, end of January, I went in for my first INLEI lash filler appointment. And the first time, basically, okay, another backstory. So I had tried one of those like DIY lash lift you know, like boxes, like DIY kits that you get online. I'm sure they sell it on Amazon, but yeah, that's what I was doing. And of course, I'm not really good when it comes to like DIYing anything. So it was like lifted, but it was like lifted. It was like, you know what I mean? So it was like going in like a very wave form. It was just like messy. It was lifted, but it was like lifted in different directions. It wasn't even like cute. And those lash lift kits like actually don't come with like the tint, so it wasn't like tinted. It was just like my hair was just like, to be honest, it looked like big hair. I'm sorry, but that's what it was like. So yeah, I went in on January 30th, and the lady said that I could come back in like a month or 2 months, really depending on how long I wanted. I actually went 6 weeks later. So my first appointment, I'm gonna like show you guys a picture or a video. As you guys can see, it was really like a little bit bald, I guess, compared to this. I don't know if you guys even can see the difference, to be honest. This is natural, like I'm not using anything right now, and even my Asian mom approved of it. She was like, why is your eyelashes so long? That's what she was saying. So I think she noticed it, but I mean, from the far you can't really tell, and that's what I'm sad about because it doesn't look like I have mascara on right now. I'm gonna show you guys pictures of like how people like look like after 3 sessions. Does that not look so beautiful though? Okay, that's the reason why I bought the 3 package one. Okay, looks so pretty. Okay, to be fair, this is only the 2nd session, but I kind of want to review it after 2 sessions because obviously we're in quarantine. We can't really like go in for another session. So my first appointment was January 30th, and then my second appointment was March 13th, and I think I do see like the results, you know, but it's not a big difference, but it's something. And I just want to see like what it's like after the 3rd treatment. And yeah, and if you guys are wondering, your session takes about an hour to 1.5 hours. So I guess that is my kind of honest review of this lash filler experiment. Do I like it? Yes. Do I think it's worth it? I don't think I can say anything about that until I go to my last lash filler appointment, which is supposed to be like soon, but because we're in quarantine I can't go. I don't want to die because I want to have nice lashes, you know, like please guys stay at home. But yeah, let me know what you guys think though. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is my review for the lash filler. Please don't forget to leave a like and comment down below so we can talk and hang out. I don't know if you guys want me to do an update on my 3rd eyelash filler lash filler, INLEI lash filler. Yeah, I'm gonna do some updates on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on that as well so you guys can see how my lash filler becomes, I guess. I mean, I know it's a very common thing to have really straight eyelashes, especially if you're Asian like I am. It does look curled, and from the side honestly it looks pretty sometimes.